Prince Kissing.
Ikaw na yun na Prince.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Majesty.
Ano ang kita nito ba? Thank you, Your Majesty. Ikaw daw, Ishi. Kira. Ito yung lang eh. Thank you, Your Majesty. Ang beat. Wala. Thank you, Your Majesty. Ikaw daw, Ishi. Ay, ulit na. Thank you, Your Majesty. Paghatag na ako, happy na natin. Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you.
Si Papa.
Nag-emote doon. Yes, wait lang.
Saan eh? No,
Thank
next na.
you, Your Majesty. Bawo tayo si Papa.
Na? Naka-live stream ako.
Naka-live stream ko.
Kunya, tapos,
Ikaw, Guri.
Punta ni mo dra.
dili man ako.
Di mo mo.
Ako ani, Physics Life ni.
Oh, mo na.
Dili ni ako awi.
Mo ano eh?
Anay ni sulod. Oh, grab ang mic. Dili lagi na ako aya.
Mo lagi na. Bago na kang gimong na pwede na. Sa to, sorry.
Grab ang mic ang pangalan sa party room ya oh. Dili na ako aya. Dili na ako aya.
Saan ito kung sa?
Grab ang mic. Diri ka, diri.
Sa party. Ano?
Party information. Dili, ko na lang may mong kan ba? Ako ang party room ba?
Sige daw. Thank you, Your Majesty.
Music is live. Tapos,
Nakagwa pa.
muna na. Asa man akong headset? So, naka-live na ni. Oo? Yawa ko kabalog kayo sa ako ang mga kuan.
Puging ino man lagi.
Ha?
Yay.
Oo, mo ba? Kani na yung tablet ya, di pwede? Ya?
Ikaw na buta na.
Unable to record daw, yes. Streamlabs recording therefore seem temporarily unable to record. Okay lang?
Sakpa ng bata.
Oh, grabe. Ang uban mo kay mag-makeup, Jud. I have always been a dreamer. Ay, walay kon. Sin, basago ni siya. Siya, nasabot pasabutan na.
Streamlabs recording, therefore we sing for temporal unable.
Sir, okay lang? Okay lang?
Unable to record daw.
So, wala ni. Ano sa ba?
Dili ka record.
You were there. Wala may kwano eh. Sometimes all the world can seem so friendless, and the love so endless, and the dream so far away. Sometimes when almost to surrender, and I stop and I remember I have you to save my day. Off in my imagination has me reaching out too far. Walay kwan Shin, walay unsa ni Shin, walay lyrics. ka, Memoria? From the start, sometimes after all you've done to save me, all the love you freely gave me, and the just along the way. Sometimes you ask what keeps me going. It comes from knowing I have you to save my day. Pangatag, Shindy.
Simot lang ha.
Pangatag ko na ilong gikaon, Shin.
Iyan na.
Ano sa mana?
Tugapon. Di. Dili lang ha. Natay yung kay.
Baby, down.
Yes, you wake up and time has slipped away, and suddenly it's hard to find the memories you left behind. Remember, do you? The tears, the shadows of misty yesteryears. Ha? Isa daw? Isa ya? Nakalive na ko? Nakita ni mo ko? Ha?
Wala lagi nung notify.
Kita na mo ko, Aims? Saan mag-stop pa niya? And the sorrow, put them away in your mind. Memories are time that you borrow. Naka-live ko?
Naka-unfollow, hindi ko pa nung naka-block pa dyan.
Hi! Shout out sa ila ni Amy. Kay Marichik.
Nasa kong gilid.
Ni Shaning. In Shane o ni Negrong Tisoy. The seasons are passing one by one. So gather moments while you may collect the dreams you dream today. Remember,
Mag-wash na ka, Hans?
will you remember the times of your life? Kay bawal man mag-video okay. So dili na lang ko no. Moments. Ay, di ka balo. Remember.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Saan saya? Saan saya?
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Ano man?
Asa naman to? Ishi! Thank you, Your Majesty ko. Lululululu. Ay, alam ko siya sa iyong mama. Yeah. Ako siya kay iyong mama mo. Asa mo kamuan to? Sa tinahan. Asa mo ka dito? Mag-hi. Mag-hi.
Mag-hi sa mo.
Oh, mag-hi. No, sorry.
Hi. Hi everybody. Bibi, hi Bibi. Pag-hi sa mo.
Ay, no, busy.
This is some feeling I just can't explain. When you're near, I'm just not the same. I try to hide it, try not to show it. It's crazy. How could it be? I've fallen for you. Finally, my heart gave in, and I'm falling in love. I finally know how it feels. When you said hello, I look in your eyes. Suddenly, I felt good inside. Is this really happening, or am I just dreaming? I guess it's true. I can't believe I'm falling for you. Finally, my heart gave in, and I'm falling in love. I finally know how it feels. So this is love.
Ha? May bangko? Magbaro ka bangko? Upo ka?
Pag-watch daw, Shin. Pag-watch daw. Asa daw ko? Tanawa daw ko. It doesn't matter where I am. Thoughts of you still linger in my mind. No matter what time of day, I'm really, really falling for you. Now I'm falling for you. Finally, my heart gave in, and I'm falling in love. I finally know how it feels. I've fallen for you. Finally, my heart gave in, and I'm falling in love. I finally know how it feels. So this is love. I-share mo dapat. Nalive ko dyan siya. I'm falling. My God. I'm falling. Falling.
Ano? Ito to? Itong laban, libre ba?
Okay lang. Ang akong...
Ito, layer? Ito ba?
I-share ko, Jin. I-share ba ko? Tagal mag-watch.
Ato lang, na-live yun ang pag-ulog.
Hello.
Wala na, di man mabalik eh, live na.
I-video sa niya.
Oh, naka-video man ko. Ay! Dapat ako ka ng stand, ani, oh.
Si Mama Michelle ba? Dapat kumakaon sa lagi dun sa ano.
Na akong mic, guwapo siya. Akong mic, condenser. Ano iya ba? Sheena, condenser akong mic. Naman sa
Butan ng mga
online.
blind contract ba?
Ayun.
Nabitaw.
Unsa siya? Dapat maka.
Ay, wala na kuy ka na. Unsa ni walay lyrics. Ay, naku.
Bisa ko na muna guna tong driver.
Bisag.
Kuna mo lang tong driver.
Oh, kuya.
O dili una ako ng driver ko kasi patay nga lang alam mo na may manghud.
Padawan, dyan ang driver.
Unsa?
Basta magka-Chevrolet na ka, niya unahon dyan ang driver.
No, lang driver. So, wala pa may Chevrolet. Driver sa kaon.
Hindi patingala na lang ta ba pagbalik
Ano
ka
may
na diri.
magod?
Guys,
Pautot eh. Sa
sana di may manghud ay.
Dili sila. Ikaw siya yung minum. Hindi na kamay.
Ako daw siya.
wala may kuan. Unsa pag-stop oh? You
Mamay lagi ni siya.
Ayos na siya.
Ayos na nga.
love Allah.
Sige, so check out para makapag-braces din siya yung dako. Magpa-braces siya daw siya yung dalagan niya.
Magpa-braces ka? Eh na, papanin mo ay tauran ka brace. Ano siya gusto mo brace? 2x3, 2x2.
Keep us alive. You
Pagka mo nagpa-brace ka, maguyab-uyab din, no?
Ay, nawala.
when the moon. Ay, medyo kamalo. The ocean's bed is far too deep. Look up and smile. Love makes it all
Hindi ka mapanood din ka pala, may edad na uyab-uyab ka
worthwhile.
pa.
Yan, nakashare ni sa Facebook nako.
Oh. Ano?
Page. Sa ako ang kuan Facebook.
Yeah.
Wala man tanan nag-like sa akong page. We search for happiness. Let love for so much. Dapat i-share ni mo sa akong kuan niya. Third with love through the years. And thanks to love, today we're here. When the mountain seems too deep, the ocean's bed is far too deep. Look up and smile, love makes it all worthwhile. Because of love, because of love. Kulay lyrics oy. Ni-out man ka siya. Ni-out man ka.
Kuloy, natin rin. Narang, saka lang gabay ko. Narang gabay. Saka lang ito.
Mamay. Mamay ma.
Ay,
Yeah. Dito sa imo sa mesa. Tablet.
Mama, ice ne.
Tablet o dire.
Ice.
Light man niya.
Eh, unsa ra gud siya?
Mama, kamay ne.
baby eyes.
Siya.
Sa baby eyes tut baby eyes tut. Ano ba na? Ikaw daw. Baby eyes tut baby eyes tut. Yan lagi eyes.
I never believed in love. I was deceived by love. I never much love
Papa eyes.
with lovers before. I couldn't compete. I seem just part of the street to be walked on by everyone. But then I found a very special love in you. It's a feeling that's so totally new. Over and over, it's burning inside. And I found a very special love in you. You're one of the best. You give more than you should and take nothing in return.
Gusto to, yan?
Stay always with me, and I always will be the one person that you can count on, always to love you. And I found a very special love in you. It's a feeling that's so totally new. Over and over, it's burning inside. And I found a very special love in you. And it almost breaks me in two, squeezing me tighter. But I'm never gonna let go. And I found a very special love in you. It's a feeling that's so totally new. Over and over, it's burning inside. I found a very special love in you. And it almost breaks me in two, squeezing me tighter. But I'm never gonna let go.
Shining is watching you. Watching you.
Ikaw tig-reply sa mga watching.
Ano mo dapat kinsa mga isa, kinsa mga nag-like ay kinsa na nag-watch, i-hide mo.
Wala man ko. Ana. Okay, sige.
Mga na siya na
Kailangan
dapat.
dyan tayo ng 5 ka-device na eh.
Ay, ana day ni.
Ano na yung computer, okay ra. Dito na ka sa computer mo isa reply nila. Pagbalag dira ka mag-stream sa mga isa. Cellphone.
Late siya, oh.
Late, nandun na. Filipino time mo na isa live.
Ha?
Filipino time mo na yung live.
Ang saya?
Filipino time mo ng live.
Luto siya.
Yung gina nga. Nag-live mo po
Used
sa
to be one. I can remember when our hearts were very young. You said our love will be forever.
Mahal na.
That was such a long, long time ago. Such a makita mo dyan ang ko.
Balik mo.
Unsa man niya na, buto siya. And you hold me close to you, but they are just a part of yesterday. Such a long, long time ago. Why did it ever have to be this way? You promised me the moon, the sun, the stars above. How come you suddenly cease to look my way? Tell me the truth that you are certain of. Look at me now, girl you once loved. Look at me now.
Dosing ko lang mo.
They are just a long time ago. Such a long, long. Hi. Hi, Shani and Shane.
Ang bagay na si Nana nila kagabay si Dong. Nanti lang ka Zumba.
Yan ako.
Stars above. How come you suddenly cease to look my way? Tell me the truth that you are certain of. Look at me now, the girl you once loved. Look at me now, grown up but still in love with you. Although it's such a long, long time ago. A long, long time ago. Nakuha ni account Shane Garishin? Facebook?
Account para makita mo siya nag-view.
Isa lang may nag-view, wala man mo nag-view.
View ko eh.
Wala o, one lang o.
Ako ganun na.
Di siya ninula, day. Ay, naku, shout out kay siya ninyo, day. Kung nungay nag-view, day, ito wala.
Nag-view ba ito ganina?
Kanina, ni-out ka. Siyang, hello Siyang. Kinsa man ni, si friend ni mo, Zang Zang.
Ayun, pansin na, di naman yung na bata.
Ah, ngayon hindi mo siya maayo. Hi! Please like and subscribe. And don't forget to share. And push the notification bell for more updates.
Notification.
Wala!
Ay sa mga ginag, yung nagot. Pero kanang sa notification nga kanang please like and follow my page.
Please like and follow my page.
And don't forget to be notified. Ano na? For new updates.
Samtang gasilay ko naka-live yapon. Okay.
Ano yung pambuhat mo na?
Mag-view porn may, tala, testing ay good may.
Tara, kanang ko sa mong screen na sa mong cellphone.
Don't let this feeling end. It's everything I am. Hello sa mga 2 million na. Naka 2 million ako. Viewers. I can see what's mine now. Finding out what's true. Since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. Now I can take the time, I can see my life as it comes up shining now. Reaching out to touch you, I can feel so much since I found you. Go tita daw ko. Looking through. Please support. And now, ako ane, pag mo support ka na, kaani oh.
Naka-andam po dyan tape. Scripted din.
Beside me, I'm alright. Please, don't let this feeling end. Dili ko yabag.
Dili man. Nalang kay mga wala
Again.
na
And I want to remember
Gusto kay coach ka naman eh.
how it feels to touch you.
Paso may.
How I feel so much since I found you. Looking through the eyes of love and love.
Ang gimero niya, ang nagawas.
Pangata ka to ba?
Charos.
Wala na?
Charos niya, iklab niya.
Yan mo.
I can feel so much since I found you. Looking through the eyes
Zoom niya.
of love.
Nanay nag-chat niya.
Pa-shoot out daw. Iba siya ni pa-shoot out. Shout out. Shoot out. Shout out. Shout out.
Pagkaunsa na, nag-messenger na siya. Ang ka-chat niya, ang uyab atong nasa sulod.
Na.
Ano siya na, nakabook na ba ang hotel? Oh. Nakabook na ba ang hotel? Nakabook na, lala na. Restaurant sila, ano man niya, lala na tulong sa ang uyab nga. Pili man, ebidensya na, ebidensya. Sa declarance niya. Ebidensya niya siya, buwan ko niya na niya. Pagkansa na, pagkasulod na sa atong, ang nag-chat siya. Gako sa itong babae, ano? Gako sa doon sa
So
kamay.
I'm sure I'm in control.
Sa dili.
A lady with a plan. Believing that life is a neat little package. Shane, asa ni Shane? Shane, asa ni Shane? Together they call me the girl who knows just what to say and do. Still I fumble and fall right into the wall. 'Cause when it comes to you, just another woman in love, a kid out of school. Di siya mas-passion of control, just another fool. Touch me and I'm weak like a feather and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just makuhan dyan pati ang naglobat siya oh. Mugawas dyan no?
Screen dyan gani.
Ang screen dyan gani.
Screen dyan gani.
Pardon me if I should stare and tremble like a child. That wanting me all over your face is driving me wild. I'm just what you make me, can't wait till you take me and set all my feelings free. I know that you can, so come be my man. Tonight I wanna be just another woman in love, a kid out of school, far out of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak like a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in blue. Just another woman in love, a kid out of school, far out of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak like a feather in the wind. Can't wait to feel you touching me again.
Masakpan siya, Min. Masakpan si Zuri. Uy. Masakpan na, bisang dako na.
Mag-ana na lang ko. No. Anahin na lang ako. Di ba siya matindugod? Naman siya ang charger.
Uli, kuwan niya. Ice niya.
Yes na siya. Tapos ako sa limit.
I was down and out and feeling so low. Ya, pahiya sa sila ya.
Ina.
Tama na, kakain mo pan.
Isa nagawa isa mo dahil.
I was astray, you showed me the way, and now I finally found my home in you. I I still recall the times I've been through, confused and didn't know what to do.
Facebook ko.
I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You've made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. Ulan? Wala'y mabasa sa gawas?
Basa ka ma.
Wala kayo nalay?
Silong man ako.
Meron sa Sanggaw, nagulan mo.
Hard to find. Ansa daw?
Tingnan
Ansa
na
daw?
kung ano. So, ano naman? Tawag siya sa puwala. Paano ba gapon? Pag padulong na mo dira, paggawas niya mo sa kuwan sa balay pa lang ba? Dito sa rilo. Kung bulong di. Ano din siya sa kung galang pag-asin mo. Tingnan na kung ano man. Tingnan na di ay. Bula siya. Nakaw siya.
My lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own.
Kenapa ma?
Matawag ka? Sa clear
Now
ano?
look at me. Yes, a different me.
Matulog ay magtanaw ko.
Back on my feet again. I'm not afraid to face the world again. Uy, si ulat ba basig mabalhin? Ay, basig mabalhin, basig mabasa. Ibalhin. You made me live again.
Hindi ka ba? Taka.
You made me live again. Happy Fiesta! Unsa gay diri? Mary Immaculous
Immaculate of
Miraculous
Miraculous.
Medal.
Lady of Miraculous Medal.
Lady, Happy Fiesta to anya na.
English face score na lang. Face score na lang. Face score de kahon.
Buhangin din ko. Ang Dalia Milagros na ila.
Oh, bitaw.
Alia Milagros siya.
Nay po tong regla, no? Happy second fiesta sa Phase 4 Decamintal. Lady of Miraculous Medal. If you're not afraid of what love brings, then endings are beginnings. Beautiful things. It's a chance you take. Chance. If someone's gonna find you. Lecha. Love begins with one hello. The hardest part is over. Now it's easy letting go. One hello is how it starts. You might win in love or lose your heart. If you're not afraid of what you feel, then try and keep it simple, or try and keep it real. And if being real means you'll someday say goodbye, Remember, my friend, past not the end. It's a circle, you know, and it starts with one hello.
Tug ka? Kaklira na? Unsa pa?
Love begins with one hello. The hardest part is over. Now it's easy letting go. One hello is how it starts. Remember, my friend, past not the end. It's a circle, you know, and it starts with one hello. It starts with one hello.
Saan gikan siya?
Ya dili mabasa to dito ya, tubangan. Gisarado nimo ya.
Wala, sarado mo ka. Saan yung gikan ka? Biling mo ito mo.
Kang kuliton mo na.
Para dito din.
Bilin niya doon.
Ito kasi ba?
Ikaw balik ka na. Nasa akong nanggaman ka, kuliton.
Mahinang nila lang. Kasi padaktan na siya.
Huh?
Mahinang nila lang. Kaya na akong kinata. Buhihan ako na.
We could tumble like a wheel in the wind,
Pati nga kaya kisaring kabayo.
or we could scatter like the leaves in a storm,
Oh, kuya wala.
or we could stand like a moon and laugh at the joke that the love we had is gone.
Parang mas muisog pa lang tama. Basta atong tinda pa lang niya. Wow.
We could buckle like a bridge made of tea,
Lain ang tama din mo.
or we could shatter like a house made of glass, or we could stand like a rock and wither the shack and try to make it last, and give each other love every day. A little goes a long, long way, and we could have it all, and we could have it all again. We could crumble like a castle of sand and fade and wither like a rose on a vine. Or we could stay with a dream, the lost it may seem, and try the second time, and give each other love every day. A little goes a long, long way, and we could have it all, and we could have it all again. We could have it all again. You stumble and you fall, you're out of your noses, you gather your forces and you try again, and give each other love every day. A little goes a long, long way, and we could have it all,
Saan ka?
Oh, wala na. Wala na mag-watch.
Paano rin yung dito?
Wala na.
Wala na. Sir, wala na.
Ano dito namin? Basta mag-live daw kami. Grade ulit mo
Tamaon
siya.
lang.
So,
Ako na yan.
oh, mga.
Ikuha po sa mga ICU. Bakit type kita? Di ka naman gwapo.
Pati yung sa mga. Kasi
Madung ka na kung tingog.
Oh, madunggan.
Tanong ba?
Laro tayo. Laro eh.
TL
Clear,
ako
ano?
sa'yo.
Ito yung message sa Facebook mga.
Panay kantsaw ng
Sa
mga
kalibo, no?
utol
Yan kumot-kumot, yan itamak-tamak, yan istoryahan.
Dihins ka raw bagay sa kagandahan ko.
Bisa niya nakita ka ni mo sa
Malabo na baraw ang mata ko.
Mura gabi ako ng banyo niya. But,
At natiel kita. Kalyeng liko-liko ang takbo ng isip ko. Sabi ng lolo, may tuyo ang utak ko.
ano lang siya? Gusto ka.
Sabi ng lola, ay humanap ng iba. May format mayaman, TL wala naman. Ewan ko ba kung bakit type kita? Di ka naman gwapo. Kahit malabo ang pagpili ko, TL ko sa'yo. Kalyeng liko-liko ang takbo ng isip ko. Sabi ng lolo, may tuyo ang utak ko. Sabi ng lola, ay humanap ng iba. May format mayaman, TL wala naman. Ganyan, ewan ko ba kung bakit tayo kita.
Hindi nakapapakat.
Di ka naman gwapo.
Hindi nakakapakat. Umangit kami siya.
Watch mo? Kailan ko ng sang-sang sin?
Oh, si Elsa. Elsa Bautista.
TL ako sa'yo.
Sleep na tali.
Ikaw ang true love ko. Saan na Shane?
Wala nga, kasi Facebook ka nang nadagan, kay meme ba?
Gibuhatan ng kanong sa. Gigamitan ng kanong apidor.
Oo. I-August ako.
Na mag-sleep na ka.
Ito, TBC gani siya.
Oh, katapos, laki, kung nag-post siya.
Sako naman. Dahil ba lubot? Dahil ba lubot? Dahil ba lubot? Dahil ba lubot? O palubot? Ano siya ba lubot?
Dapat mag-monitor mo yan.
Oh. Yun na naman, kanya-kanya na live stream ko.
Nag-live stream ko.
You'll remember me somehow, though you don't need me now. I will stay in your heart,
Ayun, ang biyak,
and
biyak,
when
ang
things fall apart,
Ang biyak, si ang biyak, ang biyakan, ang biyak, Ano man yung pangalan?
one day in your life,
Ito siya, Sophia.
Nickname mo
when you
yun.
find that
Ang biyak.
you're
Ang tagal,
always
nagpalot na niya. Oh.
for
Followers, bumigay ka.
the
Siya din, followers, oh. Siya din.
years to
Followers, ang biyakan.
share. Just call my
Pangalan na James. Palod ang
name,
biyakan.
and I'll be there.
So funny.
Ang sa daw?
Yung,
Yun eh. Yun sa kunin mo. Dapat yun sa content ko.
iyak ko yan. Content na.
Hmm.
Wait, tayo. Ito rin ko niya. Diyan lang ko.
Ano, kapag ko yun ito.
Nag-20.
Ano ba? Nakalive daw?
Balik tayo. Dito siya. Nakibike dito siya.
Ano mo, nagkuhan ka, natulak ka?
Dito ka ganun. Oo, nawala. Dara dito, dara. Oo, yung pagsugod mo. Nagpapag-loading.
Saan pag-lutsin mo?
Ha?
Saan mo na, uy?
Ito din.
Support mo.
Ay, nagbat! Gamit mo na.
The hardest thing I've ever done is keep believing there's someone in this crazy world for me. The way that people come and go through temporary lives, my chance could come and I might never know. I used to say no promises, let's keep it simple. But freedom only helps you say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes for free.
Kasi road po.
The price I paid is high enough for me.
People.
Oh, you know I need to be in love. I know just ICC,
Eh, nilalibangan.
pili ka.
Ka nang like ka nang.
I know I ask perfection of a quite imperfect world,
Ano ba yan?
and fool enough to think that's what I find. Pili ka, sis.
Istorya ba?
Promises, let's keep it simple. None of them will come. I'm wide awake at 4 a.m. without a friend in sight. Hanging on a hope, but I'm alright. as perfection of a quite imperfect world, and fool enough to think that's what I find. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. Wala daw sounds yan.
Ah,
I know I'm perfection of... Siya, sis na ko diri ba sa wising?
ha?
Fool enough to think that's what I'll find. Ansay ana-ana?
Kitip-kitip ba? Biso-biso ba? Tuning-tuning.
Madunggan tanawa daw live din na. Madunggan ba?
Dito nga nagula.
O, ganina ra day ko gakanta tapos walay sounds.
No? Naman good. Na, oy.
O, ganina ra day
Oo.
tapos walay sounds. Ha? May sounds man. Pili ka sis.
Ina nga, ipalo ko sa akong Facebook page para maklaro ko yung
Ay!
sounds.
Follow me.
Ipalo ka sa Facebook page para maklaro ni mong sounds.
On
Ano
my-
sounds ito? Makiting mo!
Na may patog ka, clear ana.
Dahil, pasi na.
Lai ka, pasi na.
Wow.
Ana.
Wow. Naka-live ka sis.
Ano sa'yo nga?
Ang minaway ah.
Ano, gulam. Ano naka-monitor ka kung gusto mo sa iyo.
Ako tayo rin.
Ada to, ikas. Sa'yo nga. Sa'yo nga. Kabag siya.
Minaway ba?
Wala.
Kapoy siya tingog ya.
Ay, siya na nagkataroon.
Oh.
Yang.
Madungog yun mo?
Nagula mo.
Ay, kini ya. Sak. Sige. Ha? Ikaw na. Pili ka pa sis.
Ano? Kinanot ako.
Sige pa sis, ikaw na. Kaya na ko maminaw sa imong voice.
Siya na.
Oh, ayan. Ah, okay. Sige, sige ha. Ah,
Yeah, diba to siya?
yeah.
Dunggan na.
Dungan. Aman.
Dunggan ito. Kamu na. Oh.
Alay.
Pero madunggan na si mong mic. Magpunsa na si mong, punsa na si mong leg. Balik ang nasa kanya si mong leg. Talong na nata. Ha?
Nakalive yapon.
Madunggan ganag yapon na siya.
Oh,
Ha?
ah. Hindi ko kasi talaga alam ito. My God. First time na ko, sis. Grabe, imong tingog. Idol! When I wake up each morning, trying to find myself, and if I'm ever the least unsure, I always remind myself, though you're someone in this world that I always choose to love, from now on, you're only someone that I used to love. As for me, It's getting down to the last unspoken part, when you must begin to ease the pain of a broken heart. Tell me, why should I even care if I have to lose your love? From now on, your own. Wala jud ako'y sounds niya ya. Wala jud ako'y sounds. Wish it was enough for you, all the love. May sound man ako. I did my best to keep you satisfied. I guess you'll never know how much I've tried. I really tried. And if ever I but should curse again. Nakamute na kuya. Ang saan pagkuhan sa mute ya? Get lost again.
Ha?
Though you're someone in this world that I always
Settings mo yun.
voice. All the love I had to give. Genesis, may sound na. I did my best to keep you satisfied. Ito sis. I guess you never know. Italya. Really try. Wala ang vocal ya kay gawas ang vocal ya. Ang vocal ni gawas ya. Remind myself that you're someone in this world that I always choose to love. From now on, you're always someone. O nawala na. To love from now on. You're always someone that I used to love. Ang mic ya, pangita ang mic ya.
Ano, punted ba? Ano siya? Voice mo ito. Pero, kumata?
Ito sis. Ano daw? Try mo umakyat. Ano saan pag-akyat ya? In this world that I always choose to love. From now on, you're always someone that I used to love. Ooh, from now on, you're always someone that I used to love. Akyat ka sa itaas yung may 3 images. Tapos,
Wala man. Maman.
kanang mic daw yan. Masilik man na.
Lahi man eh.
Try to go there. Let's see if may pagbabago. Sige daw yan. Kini daw yan. 3 images. Diyan na da. An excellency niya.
Recognize by Rob po na.
Left side na 3 spaces daw. Just this. Gosh. Aray ko. Oo. I-type, oo.
Ito naman.
Oo, i-type mo. Oo, narinig kita. Oo, narinig kita.
Ang isa daw.
Wala daw ko volume. Sige daw.
Yung mga isa.
Okay. Ano? Teka na tatlo na kana. Kana niya.
Oh, maganda.
Dapat na daw ko daw.
Wala man. Na, nakabutang I know lang.
I know lang man nakalagay sis. It's it daw ya.
Masiglahi po niya ang support. No? Hindi pa na mag-defense mo.
Mga kuwan man na yun. Wala.
Ano ba?
Ayun na disbanded. Makuha na yun. Maklose.
Connection sa close by room sa room owner. Set by room owner. Saan mo permission?
Select daw ka ng Zoom mo.
Select na sa
Tingnan natin if may changes. Sige, select daw ka yan. Can you read ka na yan? Okay, type siya yan kung nadunggan na ko niya. Can you read my mind? Do you know what it is? Kini daw yan. Sa mic daw yan.
Wala mo ganun sagot.
Do you are? I-type daw yan kanina. Nadunggan na po niya.
O ba ito nung ipangutanan ako?
Ana, type na nimo? Ka mag-live po kuya. Inana gyapon. Di daw po nila madunggan.
Earphone feedback na naman. Yun, napunta doon.
Quivering. Ansa daw? Are you using your V8? Answer V8 yan. Wala. Wala mag-live yan. Headset lang.
Yung condenser. Ayan po. Sige, kanta dam.
Mama! Di ko ka memorya mo gadya.
1, 2, 9.
Try to if you need to be loved. Here I am, read my mind. Jadi yang ingat ya? And cellphone. Read my mind.
Ano natin yung V8 eh.
Kasi if you are using V8, may mga connections yan. Saan ang yak?
Cellphone na. And cellphone? Yap. Ano po yap? Saan Tapos yung live.
Diyan also yung
Wait. Is also yung tinatawag na sound card. Sound card? What sound card? Share mo. Hindi mo ma-share sa Facebook din.
share mo na.
Pero mas ingat yun kanta. I-diretso sa sumangon sa.
Magkano lagi pa sa YouTube. Sana Shane. Kung nasa Shane,
Start sa natin.
agi sa
Saan mo na pagong salit?
Ano yun?
Stream.